Hey everybody, if you're looking for a edger that's electric, that also cuts brush, edges grass, and edges bushes, this video is for you. So this company, Badger, reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview? I don't think people have a full appreciation for what all you get with this 220 volt powered electric edger multi-tool. Who am I to say no, but no way whatsoever this is being provided to me to fix this review, because I'm just here to keep it real. So what all do you get? It's a lot. Let me keep it real. So the first thing you do is you're gonna get the actual tool itself that looks like this. So you got full control over this. The reason I have this around my neck is because it clips to this, which I didn't even think of. I didn't even think about having something that helped with the weight. Not that this is heavy, but if you're edging for a long period of time, you're doing, brush, you're edging lawn grass, you're trying to get that edge, you're cutting weeds, eventually it might get kind of tiring. And I've never even thought about this. Ingenious idea, very cool. It has a quick release as well, so it can come apart just like that. Now it does come with not one, but two 20 volt lithium ion batteries and its own charging dock. It also has LEDs letting you know when it is a full charge. That green light there on the front used to be red, now it's green, letting me know this is completely charged. It's pretty easy to connect. You got one battery on this side, you got another battery on this side, you clamp it together. It has a safety button right here, so you can't, regardless of what attachment you have, it's not gonna let you do that. You have to press this down and then it can engage. As long as you have your hand down, then you are good to go. So it has a handle here and a handle here. You can go like this, you can go like this. It just gives you a lot of ergonomics when it comes to holding. Nice and easy to use. Sometimes you have devices like this, equipment like this, and it's kind of hard. You have to use certain tools. Everything is nice and easy to connect. One attachment you get is the extended chainsaw attachment here at the end. So this allows you to reach those things that are, let's just say, way out of reach and are too thick to get with anything else. You're gonna need a chainsaw blade. Is that when you slide it into place, it has its own channel. These pull out, this slides in, pulls in, that clips, and then you just tighten this like this. Very easy. All the attachments come on and off this way. You loosen this one, you pull this out, it comes right out. The chainsaw attachment also comes with a protective sheath. So if you want to have that protected, slide it over there. Nice, convenient. So if it gets in the hands of the wrong person, they're not going to cut their hands. Then you have the edger. You have a solid blade edger like this. It does come with a protective sheath here. You line up the hole with the button here, pull it out, push it all the way in, locks into place, tighten it down. Whoa. This also has an attachment for an edger. Attaches on the exact same way. It comes with all the provided tools. You just undo this, a couple turns, switch that out, push this in. This also has a button right here. When that's depressed, it allows more line to come out. So it's hands-free. You push this down, put some weight on it, it comes out. It also has a built-in blade right here. So if the string is too long, when it hits that, it's gonna trim it off and make it nice and neat. It also comes with a brush trimmer. These are protective sheaths. This attachment allows you to also adjust the pitch of this. So with these triggers that are right here, and right here, you can go like this, and you can rotate this up. So if you wanted to have something low to the ground, or if you're reaching high up on something, and you wanted it to be at an angle, you're reaching way up like there, and you want to have an angle on that, you have full range of motion. What's really important is really how far these attachments can reach. Because if you're thinking about what you have in your yard, you want to know, can I reach those things? So the total length of the base, the power, is 36 inches. So this is 36 inches from here to here. The chainsaw attachment is going to give you an additional 42 inches. You're going to get 53 inches from the tip to this. And then your edge here, you're right at about an additional 3 feet. So 2.5 to 3 feet here, plus another 3 feet here. So you have a long reach if you're using this from an edging standpoint. Now, when it comes to actual performance, this thing cuts like butter. I think it's because the edger is a solid tri-blade, and so that just burns right through the edge when it comes to grass and things that you're gonna wanna try to edge that way. Also, if you're just trying to cut down like unnecessary brush that is just too tall, it just does quick work of that. The wire edger is like a typical wire edger, nice clean line, and the line distribution, when you're putting that pressure down and it shoots extra line out from underneath, very nice and convenient touch. A cool part of the actual brush, the trimmer, is that the blades are wide enough apart and they're strong enough with those two 20-volt batteries that you can really shape up your hedges nice and neat, and you don't have to worry about limbs that are a little too thick or whatever to kind of get through that. It cuts very, very good. And then the chainsaw just burns through wood like nobody's business. This thing is fantastic. I would not normally be this excited when it comes to review, but this is just, if you've done any work in a yard and you know the frustrations you might have using different pieces of equipment, it is so convenient having everything with quick release, and it just knocks the business out. You're gonna minimize your time doing yard work because of the quick disconnects and just the efficiency and power that this thing has. Hopefully this answers any questions you might have about this Badger multi-tool device, and we'll talk to you soon.